From slidenerd, this is Weaves. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing now? In this vid, I'm gonna talk about this pattern using asterisks or stars or whatever you call that crap. It's a pretty complex program if you're a beginner, but it's nothing if you're somewhere in the intermediate or the advanced category. So let's go ahead and see how this is done. Simple program. You ask the user enter the size, he says 5, and you print it exactly. So let me show you how the logic works first. It's pretty simple. I'll say print star, it's gonna print 1 star. Now I want this 4 times or 5 times. I'll put a for loop. As you can see, j starts at 4, j goes greater than 1, and j minus minus. You can do anything. You can start at 1, go to 4, or start at 4, go to 1. It's your choice. Now I want this thing printed 4 times. So I'm gonna put a for outer loop, which is I is 1, I less than 4, I plus plus. This is gonna put the entire thing like this. We need a new line, of course. I'll put the new line at the end. So now, here is the thing you need to focus. At this point, j is 4, then j is 3, then j is 2, then j is 1. Now what makes these places to put spaces, right? Why should we put spaces over here? There must be some condition, right? And there is a character over here. So let's go and figure out what the condition is. So at this point, if you see, j is 4, I is 1, right? Then j is 3, I is 1. At this point, j is 2, I is 1. In short, j is bigger than I, right? At this point, we print j is 1 and I is 1, so we print the star. Now again, take a look. J is 4, I is 2, j is 3, I is 2. Whenever we have spaces, we notice that j is bigger than I. So that is our condition. We are going to say if j is bigger than I, print spaces, otherwise print stars. And then the new line at the end. Pretty simple, right? Nothing more very complex to understand in this. So let's go ahead in NetBeans and get this baby up and running. So here in NetBeans, I have an empty project. There is no need to take user input. It's completely your choice. You want to take input or not. I'm gonna prefer not taking an input in this. I'll say int size equals to 5, something like that. Alright. So now as we saw, I'll put our system.out.print. Now I'll print 1 star first. I'll say Control S, Shift F6. As you can see, it's printing in the same line. I want this 5 times. So I'll say, for int j equals to size, j greater than equals to 1, j minus minus. Alright, so let's go ahead and run this and see. Control S, Shift F6. Okay, now it's having 5 stars. Now they are not on the same line, so we need a new println over here. System.out.println. This println is a blank one, just to put a new line. Alright, Control S, Shift F6. As you can see, there's a new line now, right? So now let's go ahead and repeat this 5 times to put our complete box. So for I equals to 1, I less than equals to size, I plus plus. I'll have this entire thing inside. Control S, Shift F6. As you can see, there are 5 rows, and now we need to have these 4 eliminated, right? So I'm going to put our condition which says if j is greater than I, then print only blank spaces, right? Else we actually need those stars over here. So now at this point it's done. We'll say Control S, Shift F6. As you guys can see, it's perfectly printing. Let's take a different size and check this out. I'll put a size like 9, Control S, Shift F6. As you can see, it's perfect. See, there you go. So I hope you guys understood something out of this. It's a pretty simple program. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, comment, let me know what you think about this. I love hearing your responses. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Have a nice day.